Hello everybody and welcome to my video today, you guys. I am so excited to bring you another You Can Make It kit. These are kits that I put together that contain the product plus a card kit so that when you purchase it, you get everything you need to do a project, right? Because all the time we get our product and sometimes we get overwhelmed with what to make or how to dive in and use it. So this is a great solution. So let me walk you through what the product is and what you will be able to make. So today we're going to take a look at this product right here. This is the Apline Adventure bundle. This is the stamp set. And then these are the dies. And I think that this is a hidden gem in the catalog. You can find this product on page 11 of your holiday catalog. And the reason I think this is a real hidden gem in the catalog is because at first glance you may feel like there's not a lot to do with it or it may be overwhelming. But when you really dive into this product, not only are there so many different things that you can do with the dies, then the stamp set has a ton of more options. So I have really loved this particular bundle. So let me show you what you're going to be able to make. I have 3 cards for you. So what you will get when you purchase the You Can Make It kit, it's going to be $52.50. Now you're going to get the stamp set and the dies, okay? And then you're going to get these cards to make, and you'll get 2 of each. So you'll get 2 each of each design, and you get envelopes. So this is perfect. We have one card here that has mostly, well, all stamping. We didn't use any dies on here. So I really show you how to use a lot of those stamps within the stamp set. Then we have 2 others here, and this has some of the dies on it. And then you can see here, you can see it's a little bit shiny. So I've used a Wink of Stella on this one. And then your piece of cardstock here on this card will come embossed, so it has this really fun look to it. So that will already be done for you, so you don't have to worry about having that embossing folder. So as always, there's always 3 options that I give you guys for purchasing the You Can Make It kits from me. The first option is you can just get the videos. So if you just want the exclusive videos to put these together, you can get that. They're $20. If you already have this product, if you already have the stamp set and the die set and you just want the kits, those are $25. If you want the product plus the kits plus the exclusive video and PDF that goes with making these, that is going to be $52.50. Basically what you're doing is you're paying for your product and for shipping, and then you're getting the kit and the videos and the PDF for free. So I recently decided to start having PDFs go along with my You Can Make It kits to make it easier for you guys. So you will get 2 each of these cards, and then there's a video to go on how to put these cards together. You get all of the layers to put the cards together, but you will need to die cut all of your pieces. But I put in your kit, like for this one, this is soft suede cardstock, and I put a piece of that in your kit so then you can use your die to cut that. So you will have all of the right colors of cardstock and everything to put these together. So those are the options for this You Can Make It kit. This is the Apline Adventure You Can Make It kit. The options to purchase are down below in the YouTube description or over on my website, or if you're on Facebook, they're in the description for this video. It is all through PayPal, and it's US only. I can't ship product outside of the US. If you have any questions, you can, of course, email me. I'm happy to help you. And then this will be open for 2 weeks. So I usually leave my You Can Make It kits open for 2 weeks, and then everything gets shipped directly from me. You get your product, your kits, your envelopes directly from me, and then I send you a link with all of the video information and PDF information. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I'll be back tomorrow with Hello Christmas Week 2. And then I'll be back on Friday to hang out with you guys some more as well. Hope you're having a wonderful day, and I will chat with you guys later.